I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok unstable internet connection error. So let's say you're using TikTok and all of a sudden you get this notification saying unstable internet connection error. So what you can do that to, fix this problem is basically check your internet, because it shows you like it's unstable internet. So it's because due to your slow internet connection. So if your internet connection is slow, make sure to switch to another internet connection or into a data connection. After switching into that, it should be fixed. But let's say even after switching into a different internet connection, it's not working, or let's say you switch into a fast internet connection and still showing you this, then what you can do to fix it is close your TikTok and then go to your app store. Now sometimes due to lack of you updating your TikTok as well, it's going to cause you this problem. So make sure to search for TikTok to check if your TikTok is up to date or not. Alright, if it says update over here instead of open, that means you need to click on update to update to TikTok. But if it says open over here, that means you don't have to worry about it. Your TikTok is up to date. And even after updating your TikTok, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is delete your TikTok, reinstall it again. Sometimes due to a bug, it causes this problem, so deleting your TikTok and reinstalling it again should fix it. And even after doing that, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is go on your phone setting, and on iPhone go to general, and on general scroll all the way to the bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. And click on reset over here and click on rest as reset network setting. Once you click on it, your network setting on your iPhone is going to be resetted. Once you do that, try to open your TikTok again, it should work. If it's still not working, you can report this problem to TikTok staff by coming over here, click on TikTok, click on profile, click on the three line, go on setting and privacy, and over here scroll a bit down, click on report the problem, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the pencil looking icon with a copy. Click on it again. And over here you want to write this: hello, my TikTok always says unstable internet connection even though I have a stable internet connection. Can you help me fix it? And click on report at the bottom, and this problem will be sent to TikTok staff. They'll view it and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright.